Hey, Jason from Next Gen Environmental here. We're installing our radon mitigation system, and I want to show you how we go about making sure we're getting full coverage on the slab. So what we've done is we've drilled a hole where we're going to put our system. We've attached a vacuum cleaner to this hole. We've got it sealed off here, and then we got a smoke pen going on the other side over there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this vacuum on, and I'll show you what's happening with the smoke pen. So what we have is on the opposite side of the room here, we got a hole drilled. We're gonna go ahead and you can see the smoke blowing here. We're gonna go ahead and turn on the vacuum there. And you can see what ends up happening is eventually once we get some suction, you can see that smoke go right down in that hole. Isn't that pretty cool? Can you see it at all? See all the smoke, and then if I pull this away, you can see the smoke coming out. And then as we get closer here, you can actually see that smoke being sucked right down into that hole there. So you see, when we're putting in a mitigation system, we really have to check to make sure that we're getting coverage over the whole entire slab. A lot of times if you just put one penetration in, we may not be drawing from the other side of the basement area or the other side of the house. So what we really want to do is once we put that system in, we basically are creating a suction point, and then we're going to drill a hole in the opposite corners of each part of the foundation, just a small hole, just to make sure that we're getting suction on those points and we're drawing on underneath the whole entire slab. It really makes for a very good, efficient system, and we know that it's working, and we know that we don't have to come back and redo anything, and we're pretty confident that we're going to lower those levels down below the EPA standards of 4 picocuries, and most of the times, even lower than that. A lot of times you'll see it below, well below 2 in what it is outside. So that's really what we try to do with a radon mitigation system when we're testing, just to make sure before we get it installed. I'd love to show you some installed systems once we get them up and running, and show you how that goes. So stay tuned for the next video. If you like this, please like, share, subscribe. Keep checking back. You know, we do some small videos, and we really want to educate people on healthy basements, healthy crawl spaces, healthy homes. You know, we want to protect not only for you, but for the next generation as well. So again, thanks for watching.